everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make welcome screen on Discord. So yeah, before I get started in today's video, make sure you subscribe if you haven't, leave a comment down below what tutorial I should do next, and leave a like on this video. So this is the welcome screen that I'm going to show you guys how to make it. So yeah, it's like this. So now let's just go into the tutorial. So here, first of all, I want my welcome screen to have these cute stickers. So I'm going to upload some stickers to my server. First, click on server settings, go to emoji, click upload emoji, and click the emoji that you want to use for your server. So here I'm going to make welcome, and then welcome. Alright, and then I'm just gonna upload everything up. So I also have this website. I'm going to put it in the description. You can download some photo for your Discord server emojis or stickers from this website. If you want to check it out, go to the description, and I'm going to put it in the description. Okay, so now let's make the welcome screen. Here, you're gonna want to create a rules, like channel, like rules, and then anything you want to put, like right here I put like rules, like giveaways, channel, self-roles, self-promote, and introduction. It's up to you guys, but here I'm gonna try using the rules, and then introduction, and also, oops, where is the channel? Okay. Introduction, and I'm also going to try using self-role. So here the maximum is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can only fit five channels in the welcome screen. So here I make 5 generals, rule, introduction, self-role, and self-promote. And when you're done, you're gonna want to click on server settings, and then you're gonna want to go to enable community, click get started, and then safety check. Keep your community safe. To ensure user safety, community servers must have the following moderation settings enabled. To minimize spam, members of the servers must have a verified email before they can send messages. This does not apply to members with rules. So here, tick this verified email required, and also this one. Now click next, and then this is the rules or guidelines channel. So here I make the rules, so just pick the rules, and also where do you want the community updates be. Here I'm going to put it in general, or you can also create one for me if you don't have one. And then now next, I'm just gonna click create one for me. Now this one, just click everything, finish setup, and when you're done, this will pop up, and see the community updates channel. They have given me make me this channel, and then now we're gonna want to click on setup welcome screen, and then this is the example. Just click on setup welcome screen, and then now you are going to select a channel where you want to, like the recommended channel. Like for example, before I put the rules and tell about what here I'm just going to write please alright, I'm just gonna put that, and then click the emoji. I'm going to get this this stickers emojis that I put before. I'm going to put this one and then click save. Here you can write like, oh, this is my server name. Here describe what your server is. I'm just gonna write a test server. Now you can add another channel. Here I'm going to add introduction. Introduce yourself. Alright, now I'm gonna put another emoji, which is I'm gonna put this one, 𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒊𝒎𝒆, and just continue the process. Alright, so now I'm done making all of these. Now you can just click enable, and if you want to preview, there's a writing preview right here. Just click it. Ta-da! And this is going to be your welcome screen. Now we're gonna test it out with my other account. Alright, so I've copied the link. Alright, so here I'm going to join the server. And here we go, the welcome screen. So this is the welcome screen that we make before. So yeah, that is how you make a welcome screen. Make sure to give this video a like if this is helpful. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and comment down below what tutorial I should do next. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.